you need to become a very fast video editor. And I'm going to show you 3 things you can do to achieve that. The first thing you want to do is create a dummy project folder. This dummy folder, you're going to include these few things inside. You want to create a folder for images, videos, audio recording, sound effects, and any other thing you feel will be needed in any of your ongoing or new projects going forward. The second thing you need to use is keyboard shortcuts. There are so many shortcuts you want to use as a video editor, but me, I use these 3 the most, the QWE shortcuts. Now, the QWE shortcuts are the personalized shortcuts I create for cutting. Normally, when you want to split a clip, you usually use the razor tool. But since I'm not using the razor tool and I want to use the shortcut, I'll just press W on my keyboard and the clip will be split in 2. Now, by default, the key is actually Ctrl K, but I've set mine to W. Also, if you want to cut behind the playhead, you usually need to drag from this point to this point. But instead, you can just use Q, and then what will just happen is to clear the points before the playhead to the last edit that you made. And that also applies when you want to clear after the playhead. Normally, you will have to do the same, but you can just press E because I've already set mine to that. Now, the name of these 3 actions are add edit, ripple trim previous edit to playhead, and ripple trim next edit to playhead, in case you want to go and change it on your own PC. And that's it. The third one is presets. Using presets makes it possible for you to do multiple things over and over again without necessarily you creating that effect again. All you need to do is create that effect one time and save it as a preset. When you save it as a preset, you can just drag and drop that preset anytime that you intend to use that particular effect again. Now, you don't need to waste so much time creating effects multiple times. You just create it once and use it multiple times. If you follow these 3 steps I just mentioned, you will become a very fast video editor. I mean, seriously, there are so many videos to make these days, which is why I keep saying